Yo, what's good everybody? This is Jefu, and today I'm going to be going over how to ship your packages cheaply and effectively through Shopify. Right now, I just got an order. It's for a blank t-shirt right here, size XL. So first thing you're going to want to do is download this app right here, Pirate Ship. And then we're going to go over here to the actual Pirate Ship website, connect a new source, and then we're going to connect right down here. It should say Shopify, and then that'll connect right up to your store, and all of your orders will be right here. I'm going to go here, view my orders, and I'm going to refresh the data on there. So we're going to go here. So I already have a package saved in here because I've shipped out a size XL before. So it's going to be 9.5 ounces for this specific tee because it's a nice heavyweight tee. And then we're going to go right here, get rates. $5.33 is the price. Yeah, so as you can see, it gives me all my different options here. If I want 1-day shipping, 2-day shipping, UPS, USPS. So we're just going to go here, do this ground advantage. Ship date is this day. We're gonna do this, and then it's gonna be charged to my PayPal directly. And then I have this all set up and ready to go. It's gonna be shipping all the way across the country, which is absolutely insane. Thank you guys for supporting every single order. It literally means so much to me. And like I always say, slow motion is better than no motion. So I got my thermal printer set up here. We're gonna turn this bad boy on. It's gonna come in through here, get everything all set up. All right, so I have all my settings set up here, and we're just gonna click print. Should print right through. So we got the label printed out right here, and then we're gonna rip this off and set it all up for shipping. All right, so then I always like to double check the packing slip, and as you can see, it's a size XL on there. For this one, I got my little poly mailer, and then I like to put in some stickers and different pins. And every order, I always like to put in different items, put a little business card in there as well, just so like the customer experience like is different every time. This, bring this here. All right, slap this label on here. So everything is ready to go now, and then I'm gonna set up in the USPS thing for this to be picked up tomorrow, so I have it ready to go because today's Sunday. Send and then schedule a pickup. So this is going to be the easiest method on how to deliver your package, just because you don't actually have to go to a physical post office. You just go to this website right here, schedule your pickup, and they'll come straight to your house. I know UPS does something similar as well, so if you're shipping with UPS, it'll be the same process as well. So you just go on here, fill out all your information, and then schedule a pickup for the date that you want it. So I recorded this video and totally forgot to do an outro because I had work right after. But yeah, let me know if y'all found value in this video. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, etc., leave them in the comments down below. But yeah, love y'all. Here's a little half hand heart for today.